Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mission Not So Impossible. This week I'm bringing you some Dollar General deals for Saturday, December 6th. Now you can do these deals any day of the week. You're just going to save the most money on Saturday with the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. Normally I go into the store and I'm able to film my deals, but this week we are experiencing a lot of snow, so I wasn't able to go in and film everything like normal. So I'm going to try and put this video together the best that I can. My deals are going to be a little bit different, but hopefully you get the idea and it will help you for Saturday. If you want to see how I normally do my videos, go and check out one of my other videos, and hopefully I can get back to that next week. So let's go ahead and get into the deals. First, you want to pick up one of the Skintimate razors for $6. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $4. Next, you want to pick up one of the Mucinex Cold and Flu Fast Max. It's the 4 count, is $4.65. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $1.65. Next, you want to pick up 3 of the Crest 3D White toothpastes. They are $3 each. 3 of them are going to be $9. We have a $5 off coupon, making it $4. Next, you want to pick up one of the Colgate 360 electric toothbrushes for $6.35. We have a $4 off coupon, making it $2.35. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $26 plus tax. So then we have the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $14 in manufacturer coupons, making our total $7 plus tax for all 6 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Cascade dishwasher pods. If you can find the 13 count, that's going to be the most for your money. It's $4.75. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $3.75. Next, you want to pick up one of the Energizer batteries, either the AA's or the AAA's. It's the 4 count for $5.50. We have a $3 off coupon, making it $2.50. Next, you want to pick up one of the Tide, either the laundry pods or the liquid for $9.95. We have a $2 off store coupon and a $1.50 manufacturer coupon coming off, making our total $6.45. Next, you want to pick up 3 of the Snuggle fabric softeners. We have a store coupon this week, so when you clip that, that's going to make 3 of them $7.50. So that's $4.35 in savings, which is going to make them $2.50 a piece. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $27.70 plus tax. Then we have that $2 store coupon coming off for the Tide, making our total $25.70. So we still qualify for the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. And then we have $5.50 in manufacturer coupons coming off, making our total $15.20 plus tax for all 6 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the soft soap body wash. They are $5.50 each. 2 of them would be $11. We have a $4 off coupon, making it $7. Next, you want to pick up one of the Neutrogena acne patches for $7.50. We have a $3.50 coupon, making it $4. Next, you want to pick up 2 of the Colgate toothpaste. They are $3.25 each. 2 of them would be $6.50. We have a $4 off coupon, making it $2.50. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $25 plus tax. So then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $11.50 in manufacturer coupons, making our total $8.50 plus tax for all 5 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Febreze oil warmers for $10. We have a $5 off coupon, making it $5. Next, you want to pick up one of the extra laundry detergents for $4.50. We have a $1.50 coupon, making it $3. Next, you want to pick up one of the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergents for $5. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $3. Next, you want to pick up one of the Angel Soft toilet paper for $6.35. We have a $1.40 coupon, making it $4.95. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $25.85 plus tax. Then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $9.90 in manufacturer coupons, making our total $10.95 plus tax for all 4 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the Huggies Snug and Dry diapers. They are $11 each. 2 of them would be $22. We have a $5 off coupon, making it $17. Next, you want to pick up one of the Febreze oil warmers for $3.50. We have a $3.50 coupon, making it completely free. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $25.50 plus tax. Then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $8.50 in manufacturer coupons, making our total $12 plus tax for all 3 items. So for this next deal, you want to pick up 3 of the 6 packs of the Coke products. You can mix and match or you can get all the same. 3 of them are going to be $12 this week. We have a $2 off store coupon, making it $10. So for this next deal, you want to pick up 3 packs of the Energizer batteries, either the AA's or the AAA's. They are $5.50 each. 3 of them are going to be $16.50. We have a $3 off instant savings when you buy 3, so $3 is going to come off instantly. And then we have 2 $3 off manufacturer coupons, so that's going to take another $6 off, making our total $7.50 for all 3 packs. Next, you want to pick up one of the Oral-B flosser picks for $3.35. We have a $2 off coupon, making it $1.35. So your total for all of these items before coupons and instant savings is $31.85 plus tax. So then we have $5 coming off in store coupons and instant savings, $2 for the Coke and $3 for the instant savings on the batteries. So that's going to make our total $26.85. So we still qualify for the 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon. And then we have $8 in manufacturer coupons coming off, making our total $13.85 plus tax for all 7 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up 2 of the fancy Colgate toothpaste for $8 each. 2 of them would be $16. We have an $8 off coupon, making it $8. Next, you want to pick up one of the Oral-B flosser picks for $4, and you want to pick up 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes for $3 each. 2 of them are going to be $6. Our total for these items is $10. We have a $5 off coupon, making it $5. So your total for all of these items before coupons is $26 plus tax. So then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $13 in manufactured coupons, making our total $8 plus tax for all 5 items. So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Frito-Lay's multi-pack chip boxes for $10.45. We have a $2.45 coupon, making it $8. Next, you want to pick up 4 of the General Mills cereal. They're on sale this week, 4 for $8. We have 2 $1 off coupons, making it $6. Next, you want to pick up 3 of the Campbell's soups. They're on sale this week, 3 for $6. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $5. Next, you want to pick up a dollar item. You can pick up a candy, or if there's something else you want to grab in the dollar aisle, just to get our total up to where it needs to be. So our total for all of these items before coupons is $25.45 plus tax. So then we have that 5 off of 25 Saturday store coupon coming off, as well as $5.45 in manufacturer coupons, making our total $15 plus tax for all 9 items. Alright, so that's all that I have for you this week. Hopefully you can kind of take a look at these deals, mix and match, and build a deal that works best for you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any videos I have coming out in the future. If you want to leave me a comment down below of what you're planning to get this week, that would be so helpful for me for future videos. Make sure you're scanning all of the items that you're picking up in the store to make sure they're attaching to the correct coupons so you can avoid any surprises at the register. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!